Guangzhou Runwing Biological Technology Company Limited, established in 2020, is a professional supplier of hair beauty products, skin care products, and makeup products. Our cooperative production base is located in Baiyun District, Guangzhou City of China, with convenient transportation access. Covers an area of over 9,000 square meters. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, the company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including automatic filling machine, automatic labeling machine, automatic covering machine, automatic packing machine. In addition, with years of experience in exporting, our products sell well in the United States, Singapore, the United Kingdom, the Middle East, and other countries and regions. We are also constantly exploring new markets all over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. In recent years, we have focused on suppliers of cross-border e-commerce platforms. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We are expecting your kind attention. Welcome to visit our company and wish to cooperate with you.